what's up mga kachika? So for today's vlog, I will be sharing to you tips on how to start on YouTube. So without further ado, let's start!
Welcome mga kachika!
By the way, happy 100 subscribers people! So thank you for all the support, and to those people who keep encouraging me to do it. So just thank you so much. First tip that I'll be sharing to you guys is start right now. So don't doubt yourself that you cannot do it. Give it a shot. Don't be discouraged or don't be afraid, because in YouTube you can learn everything in the process. Second is use your mobile phone or your cell phone, your Android phone. So it's not necessary that we should use the vlogging camera because we are starting, so we should start on scratch, or mag-start tayo sa phone lang muna, and then from the natural light. So third tips that I will be giving to you is find a natural light. So since we are starting on YouTube, so we don't have that ring light or that resources or accessories or whatsoever, so find a natural light in your house, like what I am doing. I am not using ring light, so yeah, I am just using the natural light. And then also be creative in your content, and if you're just starting and you don't know what content should you start or what content should you do, please watch my 20 content ideas on my YouTube channel. You just have to be creative on your content, be original, and just do what you love, share what you love, and that's it. Next is be inspired and determined always. So it is important to keep the fire burning and never give up. Just stay positive, because if it's for you, then God will give it to you. So you just have hard work. Don't be disappointed or discouraged if ever maliit pa lang yung subscribers mo, because when you're starting YouTube, of course, hindi ka pa nila kilala. You just have to be inspired on creating content, sharing content, and yeah, just don't give up. Enjoy the process. You just have to keep going. Don't stop until you meet your goal. So dito sa YouTube guys, mahirap talaga, especially pag small YouTuber ka pa lang, katulad ko. Napakahirap. You have to research on how to edit, on how to have a good intro, on how to lahat ng gusto mong malaman sa YouTube guys, just search it. Because at first hindi ko talaga ina-expect that I will be starting YouTube this year, because I thought YouTube is really hard, that I think hindi ko kayang mag-edit. I don't know on the process of YouTube. So yung ginawa ko is nag-research ako kung paano siya gawin, then nanood ako ng mga videos ng iba, and then yung mga ganitong tips nanonood din ako for me to grow and for me to learn because I am just starting YouTube. So you just have to be creative and innovative. Hindi siya madali, like, but have to wait on your time. So by waiting, so habang nag-aantay tayo guys, we just have to consistently upload creative videos, quality content, or informative things na pwede nating i-share sa kanila. And then kung ano yung fashion mo, yun yung gawin mo, because dun ka masaya. Be happy on what you are doing, because people can see that. So share positive vibes. So that's it mga kachika. So I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo. Leave this video a thumbs up kung na-enjoy niyo mo, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Bye kachika! Thanks for watching!